Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger review. In this review, I will cover Hostinger plan, features, functions. So I will cover this review in two parts. The first part we will review Hostinger, why Hostinger is a good plan or not, Hostinger plans, pricing, features, and the second part will review the hPanel, the control panel through which you can manage their hosting. And for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger, they can specifically click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to tell you in the first part of this video. So let's get started. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landing to a page like this, and I'm going to tell you step by step on why you need a Hostinger or Hostinger is a good choice or bad. So once you click on the link in the description, you may see around over here, you can see the plan features, but simply select the start now over here and you can come on all of these plans. But let's move above and tell you why it's a good choice. So first of all, look around on the reviews. 59,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So look around on the 59,000 reviews. What does they say about Hostinger? So these reviews are very tempting. Look around. Customer server helper, was the best online customer support person I have ever met. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. The only this one is a 3 star, and this one is regarding the CDN issue. So they are recommending it to that the CDN must be enabled by default. This is a setting change, and but everyone appraises their support, so you can always ask the support. So this is a very good review for any hosting company. Very good ratings. Look around on the other reviews, and they are also very tempting and very good. Hostinger is being recognized on tech radars. I've been used for the wire, CNET, Forbes. Almost everyone says them that it's a very good hosting company. And if you want to create your website with Hostinger, Hostinger comes with their own website builder. Make your website in minutes. Hostinger also support WordPress. So in case if you want to create a WordPress website, you can easily create without complexity. Plus, you have an option to migrate to Hostinger. So if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger website migration process is going to help you in shifting all of your website. Migrate for free, 30 days money back guarantee is included. The team was going to handle all of the migration for shifting your website. So the plans are same in case if you migrate either, as long as you click on the link in the description. Hostinger also comes with Hostinger Horizons, which is an AI support tool through which you turn your words into a website or an app. 4 million plus people are using Hostinger, 150 plus countries served, 20 years of experience, and 10 million plus websites created. And my own 4 years of experience with Hostinger is very good. Now, you may be asking why Hostinger is very good. Look around at the reviews, look around at the AI features. And another thing, which inspired me or which, made my confidence gain on Hostinger was in their plans. So let's discuss regarding Hostinger plans. Hostinger offers you 3 plans by default: premium, business, and cloud setup. I recommend you to view all features to do a thorough comparison of all the plan features functions. So if you look around on their features plans, you may see around the specs you are getting over here. The Hostinger website builder is included in all of them. Managed WordPress hosting, Hostinger Horizon trial is included. Automatic website migration, weekly backups. WooCommerce is added. SEO ready, free CDN, dedicated IP, managed hosting. Hostinger website builder, security, technical details. So look around on the technical details. You're getting ample of technical stuff as well with this. Plus, another thing which I wanted to highlight regarding Hostinger and why it's a great hosting company is their service support. You're getting 24/7 support, 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and the security features, the malware scanner and DDoS protection is just amazing. You are getting this free of cost. Additionally, do not have to pay for them. Web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, secure access manager. So the security is just mind blowing, and the managed hosting for WordPress is included in all of the plans. Another great thing. And if you look around in the plans, another thing guys, I need to tell you is the SSD or NVMe is the fastest hosting you are getting. So anyone who wants to buy the SSD or NVMe is the best of the both world. NVMe is even faster. So in case if you are speed concerned, go with NVMe or for the business plan. Otherwise, the premium plan is good as well with 3 websites, but with business plan, you can create up to 50 websites with just a mere $1 additional cost. And a cloud starter plan has NVMe storage but double from business plan. My recommendation of the business plan, this has almost everything which you may need. Unless and until you want to host more than 50 websites, there is no reason of going to cloud startup. The business plan covers you with the both of the world. My recommendation, my most popular is business plan. But in case if you do not have much website, you just have a single website and you just want to host for the company and you're not bothered much with SSD or NVMe, premium is good. And SSD is even faster than the normal hosting. So SSD is still a good choice. So in case if anyone wants to buy, make sure to click on the link in the description. Simply select the choose plan with any of the plan. And again, this is an exclusive for my audience who wants to buy through the link in the description. I'm going to tell you the step-by-step procedure. And 3 months free hosting is included. My order summary is over here. And have a coupon code. Write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply select the apply over here. After using it, you're going to see that my price got a further discount. I'm getting free domain plus 3 extra months free hosting because I have clicked on the link in the description, and 30 days money back guarantee plus coupon discount is applied. Now I'm going to write my email over here, free domain over here. Again, I can also choose later on from my hPanel as well, but I'm going to just to show you as an example on how you can grab your free domain right now. With this, I'm going to select it 1 year because the domain is free only for 1 year. Now hosting will offer you 4 billing periods, but my recommendation offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. After this, simply select the continue over here after seeing your 30 days money back guarantee. And this is the last part. I can see my order summary over here, and my discount is loaded. Now write my billing details over here and simply select the continue. Once I select the continue, I moved over here and I can see my payment option. Now Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods. Guys, this is another advantage of Hostinger. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, crypto payments. So guys, you have a variety of payment methods to choose. So I'm let's say going with the credit card, right? My credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within a few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. So yeah, this is a very quick and easy procedure for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. Now move back onto the review, and I will show you the control panel, also known as hPanel. And simply going with my account, and I'm going to show you over there my hPanel over here. So this is my hPanel. I can see my websites over here. I can see almost everything over here. My domain names are over here, which I'm using it. I can see my websites over here as well. I can look around for my domains over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to my domain name over here. This is my domain name, which is I'm hosting on Hostinger. So I can easily manage it by going into my WordPress dashboard over here, admin over here. I can manage it. I'm going to go into my dashboard to show you. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. Even a newbie or a beginner can use it. I can manage my domain hosting over here. My WordPress details are over here. My hosting plans, my performance plans, my analytics, security, domain, files over here. Everything is very easy. Hostinger also comes with auto installer. So in case if you want to install WordPress, WooCommerce or other things, you can easily install it by over here. Simply select the other and you can select. They offer you variety of applications to install, including ticket support system, community support, help, CMS, shopping, so many platforms just with a single click. Exclusively WordPress as well. So this is a very good thing about the control panel. And my everything is over here. Sorry, I cannot show you the file manager due to security reasons, but I have my databases over here. phpMyAdmin, remote SQL, advanced features, zone editor, PHP configuration. Okay, these advanced settings is only for those who know well regarding hosting. If you do not know, do not use either of these settings. Otherwise you're going to mess your website. So do not use. Apart from this, I can see everything over here, my VPS, everything. And yeah, this is a very quick and easy procedure for anyone who wants to buy. Make sure to use the link in the description. And just for a revision, I can see my stuff over here. So anyone who wants to buy Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as described in this video. I hope you like this review. My experience with Hostinger is just amazing. So yeah, good luck with your hosting. Good luck and enjoy it.